Hey everyone, Kevin Shaw with the Watercraft Journal. Today we're going to talk a little bit about our auxiliary fuel system kit. This clip was taken during a little bit of filming in the winter of last year on a 2020 GP 1800R SVHO. This rack was the final prototype that we made. You can see that it is specially fit for this Skeptor tank. This Skeptor tank is available at really any boat supply place. You're also going to see me change the GoPro case mount right here and realign it so that we can get a different angle. But the neat thing about this kit is that it honestly installs in really just a few minutes. It's not super complicated at all. We have instructions and video tutorials on how to install it. When I originally designed this kit and we were doing templates for the rack, I honestly had designed it with a 60-year-old woman who lived nearby who was a big personal watercraft enthusiast. I designed it with her in mind, and if she could install this, I knew anyone else could. And that was really the whole idea with this kit, was something that could be easily added on, did not interfere with the factory fuel system at all, was perfectly safe, was really secure, could handle some rough water, could handle glass, could really extend the fuel capacity of your personal watercraft. Because honestly, it holds 13 and change. It holds 13 and a half gallons if you just really top it off and burp all the air out of it. So an extra 13 and a half gallons on top of your 18 and a half gallons on your Yamaha or your 20 and a half gallons on your Kawasaki works really, really great. It's going to give you all the fuel you'll need to really make some long distance rides. And if you're a guy like me who loves going a whole day and doesn't want to stop at a marina and pay those ridiculous prices for marina gas, this is really the way to go. Especially also if you're running 91 or 93 octane, you can't find it out on the water. So this also helps out. Hope you guys enjoy. It was just a little bit of a quick view of the rack in action, and we hope to talk to you soon.